Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in Tesla stock on eToro step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you will get here and next, tap on the search bar and start typing the name of the stock you want to buy. Tesla. Choose it from the search results and now tap the trade button to start your purchase. The most important part is to decide how much you would like to invest. 100 for me now. The cool thing is that you can actually buy fractional shares. Now you can also adjust a few settings, like you can set a stop loss price, which tells eToro to automatically sell the stock if its value drops to that level. It's actually possible to set it after the purchase as well. Now leverage is optional. Personally, I'll just leave it at 1x. And finally, under the order type, you can pick market to immediately buy at the current price, or limit if you want to set a specific price. Okay, finally click on open trade and that's it. Go to your portfolio to check your investments by tapping on the pie chart on the left. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading and may the bull market be with you.